Hello all, it's Jamie here from Craftmania and it is time for us to do some unboxings. Today's unboxing is slightly different though, you might have already noticed. The boxes are open and I'm going to have to be honest with you, I've already had to remove a few bits because we have some secret bits coming up on some of Laura's Sunday showcases over the next few weeks and I've had to get them out and scurry them away somewhere and hide them. I think I've got them all. We'll see if I get caught out as we go through. But I still wanted to share with you what's coming back in stock for you today. So, as always, by the time you're watching this, all of these goodies will be available for you on the website, www.craftmaniacrafts.com, or of course, in store here at Craftmania, which is 5 Hewett Road, Gapton Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. Now, this is all about the restocks today. So, restocking is, of course, our Brie Merrion paint by numbers. If you haven't had Brie's paint by numbers before, they are super duper popular. We must do about 15, 20 designs of them. We do all of the available designs we can possibly get hold of. The same is said for our sparkle art kits. These prove incredibly popular and our brand new penguin is back in stock for you. This is one of the recent releases from Brie. So of course is our lovely little rabbit here with his mushroom. And so is our little frog. What a cutie he is. These are all back in stock for you. Now, if you are looking for these on the website, you will find them under the Brie Merrion designer page. You will find them in the back in stock section. Or you can hit up our craft kits page, where you will find absolutely loads of different kits, from crochet kits to needle felting kits to pom-pom making kits, to knitting kits, you name it. If it comes in a kit form, we have it for you, including of course sparkle art card kits from Brie and of course diamond dot card kits, or not card kits, sorry, diamond art canvas kits as well. Now you're possibly getting to see quite the overview here of all of the designs we've got coming back for you from Brie. There is loads of these to choose from. Every single one of them comes with all of the crystals you need inside them to create the project. You get a little tray as well, you get your tool to work with. So straight out of the box, these are ready for you to work with and to be able to create these stunning cards. Each kit, comes with one card, one envelope, and all of the pieces needed to make it. This is a lovely, I always love this. This one's a Highland cow coming out here now. And as if you're new to these and you've not seen them before, you might not know this, but each dot is marked out with a number, and you then place the relative crystals over the top of them. There's our lovely robin sat there on the plant pot. He's a very popular one. And then we've got all the little Highland terrier running through the fields again, and some more giraffes. I think you've seen all of those ones, but it's nice for you to see that there are lots of them in stock for you. Now then, digging into our box slightly further, these are something we've not had for a little while, but they are now back in stock. These are Christmas rub-ons for you. And in the packet, you receive not only one, but two, if I remember rightly. You get a white one and a red one in each packet. Have a look for these. These are a silly price point. So do check those out on the website. Oh, these are new. Look at these. How cute are these? These are little like epoxy style stickers of little bumblebees. I forgot we'd ordered those. Oh, and these are new as well. Little tiny flowers. How cute are these little flowers? They are beautiful. I didn't know they were in here. More of those bees. I think the bees are going to be popular. And then returning into stock for us today, we have got our glue dots. These are the removable oakwood glue dots. You receive 300 dots per packet. These prove incredibly popular. As you can see, they are now back in stock for you as well. They've been out of stock for a couple of weeks. Coming back into stock, we have some eleganza gems for you as well. Those ones are your pearls, or different sizes in white. These ones are your largest gold in a pearl line. There's also stars in lines coming back into stock for you. There is also silver alphabets for you as well. And we do quite a few of the different alphabets from eleganza too. Also coming back into stock are red hearts. There is also silver hearts coming back into stock as well. And there are pearl lines in the 4mm for you too. I think that is a good overview of the eleganza-ness that we have in this box. They're a little bit disjointed, but I don't think you've seen the blue feet. The blue feet are back for you as well. Oh, and that's one you haven't seen. It's a girl. We, of course, do It's a Boy in store for you too. And then we've got for you Oakwood bone folder sets. These are great value. They're such a silly price point, and you get two in that set They really are great. I think it's everything else that's in that box, other than our bra extenders. In our haberdashery collection, we carry an awful lot of different size and style bra extenders. They're a very popular product line, so do check those out if you've not seen them before. Now this box, and I didn't dig through this because it looked so well packed, I didn't dare go into it in too much detail to find what was in it. But these are all Craftreat kits, and we have got loads of them for you. And there is, if I remember rightly, quite a few new ones. There is the Matchbox camera set. I think that might be a new addition. We've got the frame accordion suitcase set. And these also come in multiple colours. So if you do see them a couple of times, don't be shocked, because they come in white, they come in craft, and they come in black as well. So we may have different colours in each one of them. I'm going to do a little flick through of these, but I'll let you check them out on the website to find all of the different varieties that we carry for you in these. But they are such great value sets. They give you all of the instructions you need, all of the pieces you need for you to be able to achieve these incredible elements, these folios, these albums, these boxes. Everything comes in there for you to be able to achieve these effects. They really are great value and great fun. And the Craftreat kits have quite the following now. There really is an awful lot of you collecting them, working through them, and making up each and every one of them up, and then keeping hold of those instructions for future endeavours as well. There is so many inspirational ideas on the packaging too, and it just helps you to see how you're going to be able to take a project like this and make some amazing creations from in it. A little overview on the back here of some of your instructions, just to give you a glimpse at what I mean about giving you all of the instructions in there. They really do hold your hand for you to make something that looks super duper complicated, super duper simple. If any of you have the Craftreat kits and you've already been creating with them, tell us in the comments what you love about them, because I know, as I say, they've got quite the following, so it'd be lovely to hear your thoughts too. Another returning item for you. This is super duper great value, and of course with Christmas upon us, this is a kind of an essential. This is your white glitter card in a pack. It is 250 GSM, and it is now back in stock for you, and it's a proper ultra low shed glitter card. We've also got it in red, and we've also got it returning for you in green as well. And if I dig a little bit deeper in the box, I had a feeling we might find it. There is, of course, silver too. There are other colours also available for you in store too. And then we've also got some gold Miri card coming back into stock from them as well. And that completes our delivery for today from Oakwood. I hope that's a nice little overview of all the different bits and bobs that you can get hold of here at Craftmania from today's delivery. Once again, you can pop onto the website www.craftmaniacrafts.com, where you'll find all of these goodies and 10,000 other options and products for you too. Don't forget, this Saturday we have our in-store demo day coming up at Craftmania. From 10 AM to 4 PM, Gwen Fletcher, Francoise Reed and myself will all be in the Inspiration Room, bringing you ideas and hopefully some inspiration with lots of creative expressions goodies. It's free to attend. You can pop in for 5 minutes, or you can pull up a chair and stay all day. The choice is yours. But it'll be on from 10 AM to 4 PM this Saturday, the 1st of August 2026. So do hope you can pop along and join us. No need to book, just turn up on the day. Car parking out the front for over 18 cars, so you can make yourself properly at home and hopefully be inspired and have a good day with crafty, like-minded creators. Look forward to seeing you then if you do make it. I look forward to seeing you on our next unboxing video, if not before. And of course, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments if you have any questions about anything I can help you with. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Bye for now.